Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sticky toffee pudding. We'll embark on a delightful culinary journey to create this beloved dessert. You'll learn to prepare a wonderfully moist date sponge cake, infused with deep caramel notes. Then, we'll craft the luscious, warm toffee sauce that truly defines this classic. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this incredibly satisfying treat, perfect for any occasion. Now let's create the heart of our dessert, the pudding itself. First, you'll want to soak about 200 grams of pitted dates in hot water with a teaspoon of baking soda. This softens them beautifully. Next, cream together 100 grams of butter and 175 grams of brown sugar until it's light and airy. Gently fold in 2 large eggs, then alternate adding 200 grams of self-rising flour and the date mixture. Bake until golden brown and springy. No sticky toffee pudding is complete without its signature sauce. To make it, melt 100 grams of butter with 175 grams of dark brown sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, stir in 200 milliliters of rich double cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bring this luxurious mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring continuously for about 5 minutes. It will thicken beautifully, becoming a glossy, irresistible toffee delight. Yep. With both the pudding and sauce ready, it's time for the grand finale. Once your warm pudding is out of the oven, gently poke several holes across its surface using a skewer. This allows the magic to happen. Generously pour about 1/3 of your warm, luscious toffee sauce directly over the hot pudding, letting it soak in for at least 10 minutes. Serve this heavenly dessert warm, with additional sauce, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or a dollop of clotted cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.